Hello. Okay, so 17th of February outlook. Okay, so economic calendar. It's not that eventful at the moment, as you can see. There's no the top three big movers: NFP, CPI, and rate announcement. They're not really part of this week, which is good. You don't have to wait the entire week for the distribution to start. Every other thing here that you might want to make a note of is the speech here. I mean, it's more of a superficial thing. It doesn't actually have an impact, but it might just be beneficial to just keep it in the back of your head. CPI. That's not the CPI. That's just pound CPI, and it's not that volatile. Don't worry. FOMC minutes meeting 7 p.m. Together, yeah, possibly there could be something, but my record the journal records of I have of this event, it's not that eventful. It's not a large move, especially if it's preceded by a larger move session. Then it's not going to move that much. Okay, Thursday, not much again. Employment, just as long as you have a bias, you can actually use that. And for Friday again, retail sales and PMI. PMI may have a little bit of an impact, so watch out for that. Existing homes, again, nothing much. So it can actually be a really good technical week. So that was the fundamentals, the technicals in terms of the chart itself. We're seeing a continuation of the risk off bias that I held now for just over 2 weeks. Actually, we started here after this shift in market structure. We wanted to see this hold here, 50% close below, which we did, and then we wanted to see further progression towards the low here. We did. So we are the bias has been confirmed. The risk off. So in line with that, now we're going to look at some more discount levels because we risk off the DXY. More discount levels are obviously this low. That's the easiest one, right? But then if I go on a daily, before we even get there, we did hit this, okay? But in terms of a previous weekly low, that's a Monday. So technically, this is a previous weekly low here before we even actually get here. And we may not even get here, but just aiming for this itself would be something conducive basically for this week. And counterparty, obviously, this large CB on the daily, coupled with this weekly BISI that is likely to now be used as an inversion. You also have this CB here, this larger one, but I think this one's going to be more relevant here going into this week, the four key levels of this BISI, because we clearly failed to use it as a support to go up. We can now actually use it as a resistance to go lower if the risk off bias is correct. Not to mention the CB's role here inside of this BISI, the weekly BISI. So yeah, keep an eye for that. I don't really need that now. Pound, obviously, flip side, opposite to that. You're looking for risk off, so higher levels, previous weekly high, easy target. Counterparty wise, daily order block is here. Also, that reminds me, there's a daily order block here actually. On the DXY, there's a daily order block I got from here. And this week opened. So the series of down up close candles before a down move here, a reversal here. This is your order block, daily order block. Okay. Pound, same thing. Series of down close candles before um the up move. Actually, it can be this because we're being disturbed by this bullish candle. So not a continuation of down close candles. This seems more likely. So yeah, that's pretty much it basically. The daily order block and the quad levels and this CB. You can see us going into these levels unless something major changes. So far, I don't think it looks like anything will, but anything can pop up. That's the bias of the week I'm going with. Thank you.